Let's unbox a SuyDanBox case for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Really excited to see how this is gonna look. Now I got this in the Calke green color. So let's go ahead and see what it's all about. First thing we're gonna get is a nice thank you card. And right over here we have our case here in a really nice Calke green color. Feels really nice and soft, and on the inside we have some nice microfiber lining on the inside as well. We do see a nice little ring here, so we'll be compatible for MagSafe accessories, which I will be trying it out. Right, and inside we have the brand of the case here, SuyDanBox. And further inside the box here, we're actually going to get a screen protector here. Now, not just one screen protector, but they're actually going to give us two tempered glass screen protector, which adds tremendous value for this case here. It's a nice thick screen protector here, and I love the fact that that's included as well. We're also going to get a screen protector installation package with all the accessories needed to install your screen protectors. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and put the case on. So it's very easy to put on. We just line it up here and apply pressure on all four corners. And as you can see, it was very easy to install. First impression of this case is that it feels really nice and slim, and I just love the soft feeling of the silicone case here. It's really soft in the hands, and it does provide some really nice grip. Now let's take a look around the case here. Starting with the bottom here, we do have an opening for our Type-C port here, as well as precise cutouts for our microphone and speaker grill. On the right side of the case, we do have a nice opening for our camera control button here, so that way it allows us to utilize all the features here. And we have a rubber button cover for the side button. On the top is a nice clean design, and on the left side we're going to have rubberized buttons here for our action button and volume rocker. Right on the back here, looking closer to the camera lens here, we have full protection here, only exposing the actual lens here. So this is awesome to protect your camera in case it ever gets dropped. You're always going to be nicely and protected here. And I like how precise these cutouts are. Everything is open for all the sensors and the flash as well. Another thing I like here is that the bezels of this case here are raised a little bit higher here, so it should help prevent any type of nicks or scratches if it's placed on a flat surface, which is really nice. Look at the top here, we do have a nice little uplift here for the earpiece, which is really nice. And as you can see here, I do have a glass screen protector installed, and this will be compatible for any screen protector that you might have, which is another great feature. Now, testing out the magnetic features here, I have a magnetic power bank here, so we're just going to line it up on the back, and as you can see, it automatically starts to charge, so it will be compatible for MagSafe accessories that offer power or any other type of accessories, whether that be wallets or any type of stands. You can see as I'm holding the power bank here, the case has a strong hold and a strong magnet, so really nice and strong connection, which is really good. So all in all, guys, if you guys are looking for a nice sleek case that offers good protection and this awesome screen protectors for one low price, I mean, we're talking about less than $15. That is an absolutely amazing value. Then I highly recommend checking this case out. This is in the Calke green color. However, they also have so many different colors that I highly recommend you guys checking them out. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Firewolf out.